Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to schedule reels on Instagram with Meta Business Suite. So let's get started. You have to go to the Meta Business Suite page first and you'll see create reel. Or if you would like, you can go to the planner. From here you can choose a day. Just go create a reel. You can choose whether you want it on Facebook or Instagram or both. Hit add video. So you have to locate your video that you want to upload. You can add a description if you would like and any relevant hashtags. Basically, you can add anything you want and customize it. You can select the preview and you can select the suggested thumbnail, or you can upload one that you would like. Hit next. You can add any audio that you would like and then you can trim once you're done. Just hit next. You can do share now or schedule, or you can save it as a draft. If you schedule, you can choose any day that you'd like, then hit schedule. As it's scheduling, it will show up onto the schedule page, and when the time comes, it will be uploaded on the scheduled time and day. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.